This is a video on removing or doffing of personal protective equipment by healthcare workers caring for COVID-19 patients. The video shows the correct procedure of removal of personal protective equipment. Doffing the PPE will be done in the designated area for doffing, which is generally outside the main patient care area. Provision for hand hygiene, gloves, disposable tissues, and one bin for biomedical waste disposal along with a chair should be present in the doffing area. Additional place just outside the doffing area for removal of mask will again have provision for hand hygiene, gloves, disposable tissues, and one bin for biomedical waste disposal. The entire procedure of removal of PPE should be accomplished slowly and carefully. The entire procedure of removal of the PPE should be accomplished slowly and carefully. A trained observer or buddy will help you in the process from a distance of 2 meters. The observer will read aloud each step of the procedure and confirms visually that the PPE has been removed properly. Remember that the doffing takes place in the reverse order of donning other than the N95 respirator, which is to be removed last. The first step is to remove the outer layer gloves. Disinfect the outer gloved hands with alcohol rub for 20 seconds. Be careful to not touch the outer part of the gloves while removing them. Grasp the outside of the glove with the opposite gloved hand and peel off the glove. Hold the removed glove in the gloved hand. Then slide the finger of your ungloved hand under the glove at the wrist and pull the remaining glove off over the first glove. Dispose it in the yellow biomedical waste bin slowly. To remove the goggles, bend slightly forward and hold the back of the goggles. Remove it forward and outwards and drop it in the yellow biomedical waste bin. To remove the gown or coverall, tilt head back to reach zipper or velcro. Unzip or unfasten coverall completely. Avoid contact of scrubs with outer surface of coverall during removal, touching only the inside of the coverall. Roll the gown carefully and dispose of the gown carefully in the yellow biomedical waste bin. Then inspect the inner glove's outer surface for visible contamination, cuts or tears. Then disinfect the inner gloved hands by performing hand hygiene with alcohol-based rub for 20 seconds. Then remove boot covers. Pull off boot covers, taking care not to contaminate scrubs pants legs. Dispose it carefully in the yellow biomedical waste bin. Before leaving the designated doffing area, the next step is proper removal of N95 respirator. Bend forward, put your hands over your head and pull the bottom strap first outward and over your head. Then hold the upper strap and pull it outwards and over your head, then drop the N95 mask into the biomedical waste bin. Then perform hand hygiene with alcohol rub for 20 seconds. Both the trained observer and the healthcare worker performs a final inspection of healthcare worker for contamination of the surgical scrubs for disposable garments. You have now doffed off the PPE safely. You should now go and have a shower immediately.